Hi guys, it's great to have you guys once again on my channel, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can change your payment system on Appen. All right, so once you log in into your Appen dashboard, you are going to log in with app.crowdgen.com. So you input your email, your password, and you are going to be taken over to your dashboard. All right, so you're going to see dashboard. Once you click here, you're going to see dashboard, project, payments, profile, my work hours, help, and logout. All right, so that is how you're going to see it on your dashboard. All right, so how do you change your payment system? You're going to click on payments. So once you click on payments, it's going to be showing like this. So you're going to go over to the payment method. All right, so we want to change our payment method, or if you have not signed up to input your payment method, because it's very important for you to link your payment method once you applied for Appen. All right, so because the most important thing is is going to be giving you the opportunity to get the job. All right, so you're going to click on payment method. All right, so in this case, this is what you're going to be seeing. You're going to be seeing, let me go back. You're going to be seeing local bank accounts, Pioneer, PayPal, ATM. All right, so these are the 4 different payment methods that is required for you to sign up and link your account on Appen. All right, so how do you get started to input your so you click on each and every one of it, so you can see this account is linked to Pioneer account. Right, so if you don't have opportunity to have a Pioneer account, depending on the requirement that is needed for you to have a Pioneer account, then if you are an African or you're in Nigeria, then you now have opportunity to link your local bank account, because this tab was not added before. So you have opportunity to link your local bank account, which is one good thing that I like about what they did on this Appen payments method system. All right, so it will give you opportunity to link your local bank account easily. So you're just going to click on local bank. All right, so you can see now you can input your Nigerian it's on Nigeria. You can input your account type. You click on your account type, you select your person, then your bank. You can see you can now pick your local bank. Let's say Fidelity Bank. So you input your account number, you can see that. Then your country is inputted in Nigeria. So your city, you input your city, your recipient address, your postal code. So once you are done with that, input your date of birth, then you click on submit. So automatically you are going to be linked with your Nigerian or your African bank account. All right, so that is how you can link your local bank account to your Appen payment system. All right, so I wish you guys all the best, and if you're yet to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, share this video, comment if you have any question regarding this, and I'll be there to answer your questions. I'll be seeing you guys in my very next video.